Morphle. There is snow outside of Daddy's magic pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone.
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no! We need to find Atmo. Watch out!
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, Atmo, I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out. Look, Morphle.
Tumbling test tubes, help! The Christmas present bandits used my time machine to steal a T-Rex from the past. We are no longer the Christmas present bandits. Now, we are the Dino Bandits.
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Not so tough now, eh?
Now, this is our city.
Well, boys, welcome back to my city.
Look, Morphle. The T-Rex hurt his knee. Morphle, morph into an ambulance. A big dinosaur ambulance.
I don't think this is quite big enough.
Morphle, morph into a crane. Bye-bye, T-Rex. Hello, Police Officer Freeze. What are you doing here so early?
I couldn't wait to pick you up. Let's go.
What? Where are you taking Mila?
I'm taking Mila to jail.
Bicycle! Mila in jail! Morphle need to get Mila out! If Morphle help a policeman, then a policeman free Mila. You littering! Morphle write you a ticket!
What? Why do I get... This isn't even a real ticket.
I really wouldn't want to stay here for a long time. Morphle help a policeman more!
Shoo! Shoo, I say! Get out of my front yard! What are you doing here, Morphle? What are you doing?
You're very mean to birdies. Morphle police car, take you to jail.
You can't just take people to jail, Morphle.
Oh, no.
What? That was pretty funny.
Oh, man.
Much littering.
Oh, that's great.
Huh? Where have all my tires gone? What? A ticket for littering?
Whoa!
You no can be on the grass.
I can't be on the grass in the park? Why, I oughta...
Morphle wants you ticket.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Kids these days. That's great. Just great.
That was great.
And you'll always remember to stay out of jail.
Huh? Morphle?
Mila! You're now in jail?
No, I was never in jail. Police Officer Freeze gave me a tour of the station.
Oh. But Morphle want to free Mila, and Morphle take Vanderboos to jail.
What? Oh, no. You can't just take people to jail, Morphle.
I had a great time with our little red friend.
So warm.
Right. We're off to the beach. Magic Pets, take good care of the store while we're gone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Right. On to business, Yawn.
Have you tried it, Stan? It's pretty good.
Well, hello, madam. Is the hot weather bothering you?
Yes, terribly. How nice of you to ask.
Blaster, Yawn! Much better, right?
Last one in the water is a pickle.
Ow! Ugh. How did this ice get here?
No need to thank us. Enjoy!
Don't worry, Daddy. We're going to stop them. Morph into a giant lion Morphle.
And now to finish it off.
Oh no, Morphle! Don't worry, Morphle. I'll get you out of there.
So, they got Morphle too, huh?
Daddy, you're free!
Yeah, we're lucky the sun is so hot today. Now, let's get Morphle out of there.
Yay! Now morph into a monster truck. But with spikes on its wheels, so we don't lose any grip on the ice.
How about this? Uh-oh. Want some ice cream? Well, hello, Mila and Morphle. What are you two up to today?
We're playing with Morphle's favorite toy, Mr. Action! Mr. Action is really great and always helps people in need. Except for the bad guys, of course, like Professor Evil.
Oh, wow! How about we zap him to life so he can really help the people in the city?
Mr. Action Bear?
Oh, put it on the ground, Morphle.
I am Mr. Action! Professor Evil, my enemy. Hand over that device.
Oh, all right.
Well, that was easy.
Oh, no!
Time to help the city fall.
Mr. Action!
We have to get that life ray back, Morphle. Quickly, morph into a superhero, too.
This calls for action. Don't worry, ma'am. I've got this. Get out of here!
Catch it, Morphle!
Leave this woman alone.
Thank you, Morphle.
I'm getting dizzy.
And you're the worst. Oh, no!
I'll take that, boys.
That definitely calls for some action.
Wait, what?
Here you go, honest citizens.
But those are the bad guys. Lying never pays, Peter Freeze.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, well.
Mr. Action! Wait!
Why are you holding Professor Evil? Are you his henchman?
No, no, no. This is Professor Evil. Professor Evil is a toy, just like you used to be, Mr. Action. This is Professor Rashid, and he shouldn't be a toy.
Oh, no. Thank you for your explanation, tiny blueberry girl.
Yeah, tumbling test tubes. Oh,
But how can I fight Professor Evil now? I must become a toy again myself.
No one can stop me now.
Mr. Action!
Oh, no!
What's the holdup? You've caught us already. Yeah. I'll be there in a minute.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Look.
Oh, no! You've beaten me, Mr. Action.
Mr. Action, win again! Mr. Action, superhero!
I wish I was a real superhero.
Okay. Mila, superhero!
I don't have any superpowers, silly Morphle.
Morphle do? Wow, Mila, superhero!
Wow, thank you, Morphle.
Oh no! Come back, Bella!
Mila, the superhero, will get Bella back for you. Oh, there she is. Don't worry, Bella. It's just me and Morphle.
Oh, you found her! Thank you so much, Mila the superhero!
stop it, please.
Mila, the superhero, will stop your truck. Don't you worry.
Thank you, Mila.
Mila, safe, cat!
Yeah. We still need to stop the ice cream truck, Morphle.
Phew!
Oh, you
stopped my Icecream truck. Thank you so much, Mila the superhero.
Don't mention it, sir. That's what superheroes do. Mila, look!
One more time, Yorn.
Okay, Stein. Ja.
Out of the way, Yorn.
But we're stuck.
It is so heavy. Phew.
Thank you, Mila the superhero.
Ja.
Superheroes help people, but do you know what they do as well?
No, what do they do?
They put bandits in jail.
Aw. Look, Mila and Morphle. This is my latest invention.
Whoa!
Everything that I zap with it becomes very big or very small.
Wow!
Tumbling test tubes. It's gone. We are now the Building Bandits.
After them, Morphle.
Oh no, it's Morphle! Take that!
What?
My house!
Yeah! Let's take the police station! You there! Stop! You bandits! Just wait till I'm done with you!
You won't get away with this, you no good for nothing ragged front time having
This will slow them down!
So fun.
Jitterbug, that's enough. Catch, boy.
Let's go, Morphle. into a house. Here they come.
We've got another one. Hi there.
Well done, Morphle. Now let's give everyone their house back.
Amazing, Mila and Morphle. Thanks to you, everything is back to normal.
You there! Stop! Stealing cheese, huh? Not in my city.
Hello, Daddy.
We back!
Hi, Mila and... Morphle? You're so dirty. What did you do?
Well, first we saw a lady who asked us to help her find the hat she had lost. I lost my hat. Can you help me find it? Morphle morphed into a search dog and looked everywhere for the hat.
Morphle find hat!
Yeah, the lady was really happy when Morphle found it. And then we saw Mechanic Joe.
Morphle, I need your help. My tow truck broke down.
Morphle morphing an elephant!
And into a triceratops. And a robot.
Thank you, Morphle.
Couldn't you have towed the car?
Oh, yeah.
But Builder Lawrence!
Then Builder Lawrence asked us to help him.
I left my drill on top of the building.
Morphle Queen!
The building site was really muddy. Thank you, Morphle.
You did great, Morphle. But now, you really need to take a bath.
Bath? Morphle no like bath!
Morphle, come back.
Come on, Morphle. It's just a bath.
Morphle no like bath!
Huh? Gotcha. Oh. Where is he now?
There you are.
Uh-oh!
Come on, Morphle. It's just a bath.
No!
Gotcha.
No! Morphle no want a bath! No! Morphle no want a bath!
I'll help, Daddy.
Well, at least Morphle is in the bath as well.
Morphle like bath.
What? Now you like it.
Hi, I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Hi, everyone. We are going to take a look at different feelings. Morphle, what was the last time when you felt really happy?
Ice cream!
Yeah, you felt really happy when you had that ice cream. And what was the last time you felt scared?
We are the Icecream Bandits. We steal all the ice cream.
Yeah!
Bandits scary.
Yeah, you were scared when the bandits came to steal your ice cream. And then your ice cream fell on the ground. That must have made you feel very sad.
Morphle sad.
The next feeling is anger.
Morphle feeling very angry.
Yeah, you got angry because the bandits ruined your ice cream. Yeah!
Hey, Mila and Morphle. There is one feeling you didn't cover. Surprise!
Ice cream!
Here you go. 2 small robots as ordered. Perfect. What's that now? Oh, nothing. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have you brought everything?
Yup.
Perfect. Now, let's see if it works. Look, it's the bandits.
Look, it's the bandits. No.
This is going to work brilliantly.
Morphle.
Mila! Where's your ball?
Never mind the ball. We're going to play another game.
Now, come with me.
Okay.
Morphle, you came looking for the ball too?
No.
Oh, do you want to play another game?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you want to go home?
No.
Do you have any ideas?
No.
Morphle, get those ice creams. Ha 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 ha.
Mila no play? Mila?
You're acting very strange, Morphle. You don't even want to morph.
No.
All you say is no, no, no. Daddy, Morphle is being weird.
Now, Mila, that's not a nice thing to say. Hey, Morphle, what's up?
No.
Do you want some ice cream?
No.
No ice cream? That can't be right. Oh, no. I'm so sorry, Morphle. Hey, wait a minute.
See? I told you. This Morphle isn't real.
The bandits.
Morphle really take a ball?
Yeah, Morphle, you get the ball now. Ha ha.
Oh, look at him. He's going to do it.
Oh, hey, Morphle. Do you want to play? Ha 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 ha. Hey! Daddy, over there.
Oh no, it's Mila's dad. Play it cool, Yawn.
Hey, Mila. What are you doing?
Yeah, you know, girl stuff. Psst, Morphle, over here.
Well, okay then. You do that. Bye-bye, Mila.
Bye, Daddy.
Excellent, Yawn. Now for some more mischief.
Morphle?
Paint the wall. No. No.
Give me that. Morph into...
A police car. No. A fire truck. No. An elephant.